A cargo vessel MV Aries is requesting for docking at the port. The cargo ship and port station must cooperate as it is crucial for safe and smooth arrival.
Port control, this is MV. How do you read me? Over.
MV, this is port control. I read you good. Over.
Port control, we are approaching your port for arrival. Requesting docking instruction. Over.
MV, your arrival is scheduled at berth 5. Proceed to pilot station. Pilot will abort in approximately 30 minutes. Over.
Port control, acknowledge. Proceeding to pilot station. We will be ready for pilot embarkation in 30 minutes. Over.
MV, confirm your ETA at pilot station. Over.
Port control, ETA at pilot station is 10:30 local time. Over.
MV, acknowledge. The pilot will abort at 10:30 local time. Maintain 5 knots as you approach the station. Over.
Port control, acknowledge. Retaining 5 knots as we approach the station. Over.
MV, after pilot embarkation, proceed to berth 5 for docking. Keep a sharp lookout for traffic in the port. Over.
Port control, understood. Proceeding to berth 5 after pilot embarkation. We will keep a sharp lookout for traffic. Over.
MV, report when pilot is on board. Over.
Port control, will report once pilot is on board. Over.
MV, acknowledge.
Port control, this is MV. Pilot is on board. Over.
MV, acknowledge. Proceed to berth 5. Docking instruction will follow. Over.
Port control, proceeding to berth 5 as instructed. Over.
MV, be advised there is a tag standby at the berth. Tag will assist you with docking. Prepare for assistance. Over.
Port control, acknowledge. Preparing for tag assistance at berth 5. Over.
MV, maintain current speed and course. Over.
Port control, maintaining current speed and course. Over.
MV Seabreeze, docking will be carried out with tag assistance. Proceed slowly and quickly once the vessel is alongside. Over.
Port control, will proceed slowly with tag assistance and report once alongside. Over.
MV Seabreeze, understood. Keep port control updated. Over.
Port control, will keep port control update. Over. Port control, this is MV. We are approaching berth 5. Tag assistance in position. Over.
MV, acknowledge. Proceed with caution. Report once the vessel is alongside. Over.
Port control, vessel is alongside berth 5. Docking complete. Over.
MV, acknowledge. Welcome to port. Please confirm that the vessel is safely secured. Over.
Port control, vessel is secured at berth 5. All lines are fast. Over.
MV, thank you. You are clear to disembark. Please inform the port control when all crew are off board. Over.
Port control, acknowledge. Will inform port control when all crew are off board. Over.
MV, understood.
Port control, this is MV. All crew are off board. Vessel is ready for any further instruction. Over.
MV, this is port control. Acknowledge. Thank you for the update. Your arrival is now complete. Please notify port control if you require any further assistance. Over.
Port control, acknowledge. We will notify port control if any further assistance is needed. Thank you for your cooperation. Over.
MV, you are welcome. Have a safe stay in the port. Clear sailing out.
Port control, thank you. Clear sailing out.